po siya sa Parawan ni Edgar. Ito po talaga ang aming normal set. Natural na... Putang ina. Let's stop! Collaborate and listen! Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something got a hold of me tightly, flow like a harpoon daily in love. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I go. Do the stream like a mic, like a vandal. Light up the stage, walk the top like a candle. Gago, tawa na! Chong, hindi ba ako ganun kalaseng? Tanginan nyo, ikaw gago. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Di ba ako ganun kalaseng, Chong? Vanilla Ice. Tanginan nyo. Gago! Chong, ito na tayo. Last 3 songs na nga lang eh. Pinagtitripan nyo pa ako, pare. Ano to? Let's groove tonight? Hindi, gago. Gago. Fuck you, man. Let's groove tonight. And let the stars alive. I love your family. So please give it to me. It's alright. Chong, tama na. Chong, gago na yan, pare. So right through your building, started the faith that you let me down. And the answer you had at the worst of all, you never come right when you say where you were. And all of this day, I love you. Never know in the town. All of this time. So fill me up, all the touch of break my heart. Pakinan nyo, tama na. Chong, patayin na natin. Totoo na, Chong. Di ba ako ganun ka lasing? Hindi, tayo lasing na ako. Kanta lang ako kanta yun. At... Shut! Salamat sa putya ka sa Parawan ni Edgar. Pasensya na, medyo nakainom lang. Chong, totoo. Last 3 songs na daw. Ano ba? Last 3 songs na. Si Bamboo. Sobra na. Salamat sa pagtsaga. Pasensya na. Gago talaga itong mga kawanda ko eh. Tanginin nyo kasi kung ano kinakanta nyo, pare. Ano, pare? Yes, show. May papakulong pa yata eh. Papakulong, tas yes, show. O, sige.